In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and send customer statements using Zoho Books. Whether you need to send a statement to just one customer or several at once, I'll guide you through the process step by step, making sure everything is clear and straightforward. First, let's begin by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, find the left sidebar and navigate to the Sales module. Under this module, you should see an option labeled Customers. Go ahead and click on that. Now let's say you want to generate a statement for a specific customer. Browse through your list of customers and select the one you're focusing on. Once you've selected the customer, look for the Statement tab, which is conveniently located above the customer's details. Clicking on this tab will bring up the options to generate your statement. Here, you'll need to choose the date range for the report. There's a drop-down menu that gives you options such as this month, this year, or even a custom option to specify the exact date range you need. This flexibility allows you to tailor the statement to match exactly what you're looking for. After selecting the date range, you'll notice there are icons at the top right of the screen. These icons give you the choice to print, download as a PDF, or email the statement directly to the customer. Each option is straightforward, but if you're planning to keep a hard copy or archive it for later use, downloading it as a PDF might be the best way to go. If your goal is to get it to the customer quickly, the email option can streamline this process. Now, if you're dealing with multiple customers, there's a slightly different path to take. Head back to the Sales module and click on Customers once more. From your list of customers, select those you wish to include by checking the box next to their names. After selecting the necessary customers, you'll see the Send Statement button. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear where you can select the date range in the same way you did previously. Additionally, you have the option to choose a filter, like Outstanding Transactions. This filter comes in handy if you're specifically following up on unpaid invoices. When everything's set as you need it, click Send Statements to dispatch the documents to the primary contacts of each selected customer. This feature is incredibly efficient for managing and communicating with multiple clients at once. And there you have it. Whether sending to one customer or many, Zoho Books makes it easy. I hope this guide has demystified the process for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more handy Zoho Books tips and tricks.